This video will show you how to add two PyTorch tensors together by using the PyTorch add operation. First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.3.1 post 2. Let's now create a PyTorch tensor for our example. So we use torch.tensor. We want it to be 2 by 3 by 4. And we assign it to the Python variable pttensor1x. Let's print the pttensor1x Python variable to see what we have. We see that it's a torch float tensor of size 3. The elements are the number 2, the number 3, and the number 4, just as we defined it. Next, let's create a second tensor to add to our first. So we use torch.tensor again. We define it as 4, 3, 2, and we assign it to the Python variable pttensor2x. We print this variable to see what we have. We see that it's a torch float tensor of size 3. We see the numbers 4, 3, 2. Next, let's add the two tensors together using the PyTorch.add operation. So the first tensor, then .add, and then the second tensor. The result we're going to assign to the Python variable pt_addition_result_x. Note that this operation returns a new PyTorch tensor. We can print the pt_addition_result_x and see that we get 6, 6, 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. Alright, so we were able to add two tensors together. Just to make sure that we didn't change our initial tensors, let's check pttensor1x. So we print pttensor1x, and we see that it's still 2, 3, 4. We also print pttensor2x, and we see that it's still 4, 3, 2. So the PyTorch addition operation does not change the original tensors, it generates a new tensor. Perfect. We were able to add two PyTorch tensors together by using the PyTorch add operation.